In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right project management tool for your team. If you're trying to decide between popular platforms and you're feeling overwhelmed by all the options, this process will help you make a smart and practical choice. The goal is not to find the tool with the most features overall, but the one that actually fits the way your team works every day. Start by listing the features you really need from a project management tool. Think about your current workflow and the problems you want to solve. Maybe you need a simple way to assign tasks, track deadlines, and keep everyone updated. Or maybe your team needs more advanced planning, reporting, and cross-project visibility. Being clear about your needs first will make the rest of the comparison much easier and prevent you from getting distracted by features you may never use. Next, compare well-known tools like Monday.com, Asana, ClickUp, Airtable, Wrike, and Microsoft Project. Each one has a different style and strength. Some are better for simplicity and team collaboration, while others are designed for more structured planning or complex project tracking. As you review them, focus on how each platform feels in a real working environment, not just how it looks on a feature page. Then check whether each tool supports the core functions your team depends on. Look for task management, timeline views, dashboards, and collaboration features. You want to know if team members can easily create and update tasks, if managers can see project progress clearly, and if everyone can communicate in one place. These basics often make the biggest difference in daily use. After that, compare pricing and user limits carefully. A tool may seem affordable at first, but costs can increase quickly depending on the number of users or the features locked behind higher tier plans. Make sure you understand what is included in each price level so there are no surprises later. If free trials are available, test them. This is one of the best ways to evaluate a platform because you can see how it performs with your actual workflow. Try creating a sample project, adding tasks, inviting team members if possible, and checking how intuitive the interface feels. As you test, review which tool is easiest for your team to use. Even a powerful platform can become a poor choice if people find it confusing or frustrating. Ease of use matters because adoption is everything. Finally, choose the tool that best fits your workflow and budget. The right decision is the one that balances functionality, usability, and cost, so your team can stay organized and productive without unnecessary complexity.